Forgot to add the thumbnail. Oops. Oopsies. My bee. Oops. That's my bad. That's my bad. Nope. Press the wrong thing. And we are good to go. Why are you not connecting? Let's connect. I think it's okay, I think. Yeah? Hey Bujay, how's it going? There we go, there we go, there we go. It's alive. I hope I'm seeing both chats. I hope I'm seeing both chats. Only one's popping through right now, but let's see. Hopefully I'll also have to restart this. Zane? Oh, no, Zane, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Some guy. Hey yo, happy Friday. Give me 2 seconds. I'm quickly gonna reload this because I have a feeling it's only showing me one thing. No, maybe not. Maybe we good. Maybe we good. I hope if I'm not seeing the chat from the horizontal, someone pop onto the vertical and yell at me, please. Sorry. I'm so sorry, Zane. That, yeah. Listen, with how yesterday went, I was waiting for that to happen to me. So, yeah. Niaz, hello, how's it going? Is that a decently green P&L you see? Some guy? It is? How crazy? I was in a good mood today and I made sure I didn't hop into dumb trades. I didn't try and chase price. I was good. I waited for my setup. I waited for my A+ and have a looky. I didn't go to break even because it didn't reach. So here was my 1-to-1 level. So you can see it didn't reach my 1-to-1. I left alone, popped back down and then up and away. It was awesome. And thank you. Yeah. Now part of me doesn't want to trade this afternoon, but let's see. I'll do the same thing that I did today, right? If I see something decent, good. I'm, you know, don't get FOMO. Zane, I'm so sorry. I am sorry. But can we please just address this? What the actual F is this? That single candle is nearly 200 points. What? What is this? Ooh, nice, some guy. Yeah, see, that's it. That's it. The rip? Yeah. I see that. I must just be cautious. I mean, at the end of the day, if I don't get a trade in today and I just watch the chaos unfold, it is what it is, right? My P&L is looking not too bad today, you know, for a happy change of pace. But this is absolute, like, I don't even think that's an FU candle. That's a F everyone candle. Rick. Anyways, check. popped into this order block and then went up. So if anyone was in this order block, they would be super happy chappy right now if the entry was there. Nia's nice? It's not. Oh my gosh, it only connected now. Oh, I'm so sorry. Horizontal chat, I apologize. If I've missed messages, I am so sorry. Please resend. I see it's only connected now. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I haven't been ignoring you. It just has not been popping up. I apologize. Some guy. Oh, shame. Thank you. Yeah, guys, if you are having fun already, don't forget to like the stream. Thank you. Okay. Everything's up and running. Niaz, did you trade that CPI? I don't know if nice is the word I'm going for, but sure, we will stick with nice. That's more like insanity. Just took the wheel. And then that was that. Climbing, climbing, climbing. Okay, so now we just have a bunch of liquidity on. This is all-time highs, eh? Is this all-time highs? Hey, perfect play. How's it going? How are you? Alrighty. Yeah, just alrighty-roo. Was not expecting that. Okay, the rip explains. So what do you think is going to happen now then? You said the real move happens after that, but I mean, what would you call that then? I just call that insanity. Yes, this is coffee. Don't judge. So good. So good. Coffee needed. Coffee good. I think this scared a lot of people now. I don't think a lot of people want to trade this today. But that's fine. Let's see what it brings. Hey, Desire. Go for a short buy. Is that what you're in right now? Night, I did. Well done. Whoa, that was awesome. That was awesome. Only true trader. Hey, how's it going? How is it going? Are we ready? Steady. Okay, the rip, that's valid. I don't know, would it be fair to assume that it would want to fill this gap? I mean, maybe not now, but in the future. Would that be a fair assumption? Desire, how long have you been trading for? Trade you're in right now, I've seen that. It's a very high R trade on negative 9. Night, did you post it? When did you post this one that you're in now? I may have missed it. Oh, I see. Where's your TP at? I feel like I've missed a screenshot here. So, Knight, are you hoping it fills the gap? Is that basically it? Oh, wait, no, this is a 10R trade. There we go. I got it. Don't mind me. I found it. Is that 10R? What? Holy cow. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. The gap is going to get filled within the first hour of open, okay. What's the opening range? What time is it? Maybe I should focus. Oh, we still got 4 minutes. 4 minutes to go. Let me maybe zoom in a quick stick. Let me maybe sort out this side as well. So just confirming, we are officially at all-time highs, right? Sorry, when I changed props, I lost all my previous thingies, so I just want to clarify. Knight, out of curiosity, why? Rambo 9:45 news. I see that. I see there's. Is there also news at 10? Sorry, I see there's 2 things here. Okay, so what I want to see is that the candle trade going along and then PMI drops it. Oh, got it, got it. Desire 5 months self-learning. Hey! Samesies. So 8:30 fake move, 9:45 real move. That's what I want to see for today. Okay, got it. Got it. Interesting. Well, yeah. In all honesty, I'm most likely going to be sitting on my hands until after the news. In all honesty, but let's see. I guess Knight, but damn. What if it hits your stop loss? I guess that's valid. Never mind. That answered that question. Hey, Pawan, how's it going? Wait, so your TP is here, right, Knight? Yeah, I remember seeing it just here. At 446. Looks like it's going back down anyway, so you're good. Aw, thanks, Rip. I appreciate that. Listen, I mean, I'm up for the day. If I don't get a proper setup this afternoon, well, for me this afternoon, if I don't get a proper setup, it is what it is. TikTok? Are you asking if I have TikTok? Yes, I have TikTok. Yeah, missed you by TikTok. I saw that. I was like, surely that hit. But yeah, apparently not. That must be, yeah, that must suck. Rambo Y Armstrong in Q will take sell side first. There we go. Knight, I must say, you've been on fire with regards to your predictions recently. Well done, by the way. Ah. Okay, enjoy. Available gangs. Adam? No, well, to be fair, I'm streaming on a few. But yeah. Okay, 58 still sad. Hey Justin, how's it going? How are you? Well, morning to you, afternoon from South Africa. There we go. Let's see, available gangs. A Knight, whoop whoop. Amazing, amazing. Nicely done, Knight. That's your TP. Good job, good job. Yep, let's do this. And again, knight. Well done. Available gang, you're going for longs. Okay. Yes, is that no? Available gangs? What are you in? Are you in sells? Buys? Yep, it did. Knight, that was very, very well done. Are you then done for the day? What's the plan, Knight? Are you locked out? What's happening? And upon funded, a knight. Whoop, whoop. Very well deserved whoop, whoop. That's amazing. Wait, what do you mean for now? Are you not done? Okay, let's see. I mean, it took out... Again, I cannot stress this enough. I'm not trading this, but I'm curious. Huh. Has not hit the 50% level of this behemoth of a candle yet. Let's see. Done. Hit all limits and targets locked out on all 3 accounts. Well done. Finished and get hopefully I work as a contract. Oh! Knight, aren't you young? How young are you? I'm pretty sure we've had this discussion. Aren't you young? So, wait. Knight... Again, if I have asked you this and I've forgotten, I apologize. So you work as a contractor, right? What is your hopes with trading then? To not have to do that anymore? Be able to do that on the side? Yeah. Interesting to know. On second chart, you can see a volume gap between 3 earnings. In between. Knight, I don't think I want to dignify that with... Yeah, I don't think I'm going to dignify that with a response. No, that's Knight. That's Knight, Geordie. And by the way, hi Geordie, how's it going? How's it going? Knight had a whoop whoop like within the first 15 seconds and he's done trading for the day. Isn't he just a damn cool kid? Geordie, you still no trades for you today? Wait, no, I lie, you had your trade today. Geordie, are you gonna be trading again? What's the plan? Rip, you went long? Okay. What was your indication that that was the spot to go long? Rip? Yeah. Hey Jovan, what's happening? Jovan? Jovan. How's it going? Geordie, I know exactly what you mean because that's how I'm feeling right now. I'm like, do I bother placing a trade when I'm up pretty decently? Draw the fib on the imbalance and not the move itself. Okay. You mean from here to around there? Because then, yeah, then it's a pretty in. Let's see if it would have hit. Or do you want this even further down? Do you want it like around there and around there? So, I mean, then it's nearly hit TP. Interesting. Yeah, all-time highs are scary. Hey, lifted trader! Wake up in! How's it going? Hell yeah, Jody. Like I said, if an A+++ setup pops on, maybe I'll consider taking it, but yeah, let's see what happens. I'm definitely not going to take trade until after news, so it does limit my time that I can trade. So let's see. The top, what up? How's it going? Oh, there we go, Jordy. Me and you, same page today. Same page. I love it. Yeah, Knight. It was good today, this morning. To partial stop at break even. What made me take the long? Take the long. Oh, okay. Sorry, the roof. %, 2 minutes. Tuesday, I need to continue those losses. Yeah, some guy, I hear that. Some guy, that's exactly how I'm feeling. But in the, yeah, let's see. Like I said, maybe if something really, really good shows up, I will think about it. If not, it is what it is. From there, and then short trade entry. Night. Wait for CPI highs to see reaction. Then we see where the rejection of it will continue high. Okay, cool. Let's see now. Took yourself a little break. Back at it now. Are you going to join the Traderify competition? I'm not with Traderify anymore. Lifted Trader. Yeah. I'm with Top One. There's an T off. Okay. The rip, you're done for the day. Only true trader, whoop is coming. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, you just say when and we will whoop the whoop out of you, okay? It's a good day, guys. It's Friday. We've got this. It's Friday. Thing is, risk to reward is pretty nice on that. We have 380 area to cover. Okay. Samuel, hi. So, and Dax, hi. So this is not currency pairs. This is the Nasdaq futures. Y'all can have a good giggle at me. I used to call it indices, not indices. Now the only way I remember indices is I think about going in the sea. And I live by the sea, so it's indice. Yeah, I don't know, it works for my brain. But yes, I used to call it indices. Let's not judge. Okay. Partial and break even, so half a whoop. That's fine. Only true trader? Half a whoop is still a whoop. Jody! What did I just say about not judging? Okay, that sounds pretty judgy. Nope, so just saying. I want to see is them to dump it at 9:45. Okay, I still won't do nothing about it, but that's what you want to see. A lot of traders will suffer. Ooh. Okay, okay. Well, we have 5 minutes. Let's see what happens. I am here for the... This is not tea, but still, I'm here for the tea of what today is going to bring. Geordie, I'm sure we can. I just don't know how. I don't know how to do that. Geordie, I'll get back to you. I'm sure there's a way I can do it. I'll have to just research. Because that would be quite cool. Every time everyone gets the whoop whoop, we can just get fireworks going off. That would be pretty cool. I would enjoy that. Only trick trade if you get stopped might go short. Okay, remember just don't revenge trade, hey? If you feel the urge, I see Bob is live on Discord. Bob will yell at you. Or will he? Bob will yell at you, you'll be fine. So that's the way to do it, but being an all-time high, anything can happen. Samuel, yo, I don't got the funds, my man, I'm sorry. We've been on a strong momentum upside. Hey Chase, today you're thinking brain dead longs, but slight chance of shorts. Like I said, I'm genuinely curious to see what happens. Price holding high is too much. Desire, I'll go look. Just now, give me a second. Kronos, how long do I trade? Are you asking like this New York session, or how long have I been trading? But this session, I'll probably trade until 11:30 EST time. Will I even place a trade today? I don't know. Okay, I don't want to get your hopes up. I placed a trade this morning. It was a win. I'm super happy. If I end in the green, I'm not going to be upset about it. So yeah, let's see. Short is better on ES because ES is weaker. Is ES weaker? Oh, it is too. Huh. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Only true trader. That's the thing. We can't be disappointing Bob up in here. That'll be sad. You're not inclined to longs until we hit the 380. Why that area? I'm gonna make a note here. 380. Out of curiosity. Or was it just a feeling, right? Aw, that's okay. You don't have to like me. Not everyone's gonna like me. We have a massive move up already from Asia and London. So, I mean, what? No, we don't tonight. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? No, I'm joking. That's where CPI run started off, and that's where we have volume gap. I marked the wrong area, didn't I? Wait. Where did you say? 380. I've freaking marked the 580. Maybe I need to put glasses on. There we go. should probably wear my glasses, but I hate wearing them, so I'm not gonna. Can we please just Blitzen? Okay, well, it's staying there for now, sorry. What are my thoughts on gold? So, Jason, I haven't looked, but I've heard gold has been pretty fun to trade. You need to put up from the ground before you trade them. So just me put you down as around. Okay, right hand. Yep. Hey, KNT, how's it going? Where have you been? This is good for shorts. We have nice worked out candles with news. Just low-key looks like it's consolidating now. This is why it's hands off, people. At least for now. I'm not going to let FOMO get the best of me. Number one, no FOMO. Yeah, no FOMO. Number two, only good setups allowed. Only good setups. Sorry, this is more of a pep talk for me, but anyways. We should look at gold. It's a great distraction. Is it though? Will it not be tempting to maybe look at that? Hey Maria, how's it going? I haven't seen Marzia in a while. I hope she's okay. This is moving like a roller coaster. Yeah, this is called a whiplash right here. This is moodier than I am in the morning before my coffee. Kenty, are you asking? Right, Jordy. Maybe we need to just go to Washington just so we can be like, heyo from Washington. Not just, you know, heyo from South Africa. Oh, Kenty, I mean, for me personally, you're asking the wrong person because I don't do investing. But anyone here invest? Anyone here that can give KNT some advice or help? Hey Ghost, heyo, how's it going? 934 imbalance important. Okay. How's this look on the other time frames? I'm just saying, you'll be proud of me. The win this morning, I confirmed it on all the time frames. Does it? So it does help. See, I wasn't so zoomed in. Is this the 5 minute? No, this is 3. Yeah, see, 5 minute, this is not ideal. How do we look on the 15? How does this massive move look on the 15 minute? Huh. Not bad, not bad. Noodle the hamster. First of all, cool name. Second of all, sure, I can do shoutouts. Okay, so this is important. Sorry, Rambo, I was checking. I've missed some things. Oh, there we go. 9, paper trading, and I shorted on that wick candle with stop at high and TP at 390. Damn, okay. Okay, nice. Really, Geordie? Is that your goal? To go to Texas, mostly to visit Boom? Little bromance going on over there. I'm joking. But you really want a cheeseburger. So, I know my sister went to Nashville, Tennessee. That's where I got my cowboy boots from. She was there and I was like, I want cowboy boots. So I got cowboy boots from Nashville, Tennessee, which I think is pretty cool. Chase, invest in index funds, easy, make money, really? First time you invest in yourself, how? Azina, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. So, candles closure below CE will be bearish. Okay. I've seen this type of CPI. Oh, you guys are 90% of times we retrace back entire CPI. Ooh. KNT, your name is KNT. I figured, don't worry. Don't worry, KNT, neither do I. I don't know anything about this, but I hope you're into learning about it. Ghost? Yeah. Oh yeah. I will never say I'm a master, and I definitely am learning. Huh. Okay, a little push here. Knox, where have you been? Geordie, you might short this. Yes, we formed kind of double top structure and shit. Century man. Javad, hi, how's it going? Sorry, I'm trying to catch up on everything. You guys just keep sending me things. Also invest in gold. All good. And if I want to trade today, so much liquidity to the downside, but with all-time highs, it's probably going to keep pushing up. Mad Demon? Yeah. Don't worry. I feel you. I don't know if I'm going to trade either, but let's see how it goes. Knox, where have you been? Anyways, watching 931 sell side. Okay, cool. Good. I'm glad you're alive, Knox. I think that's important. This for trader has been through ringer multiple times. I hope you find success when you give me money. South Africa is near from Antarctica. It's just one jump away. Sure. Aw, Candy, thank you. Yeah, Knight. I don't know where Knox has been though. Three-eyed Raven. Why did Bitcoin go down? I don't know. Does anyone know why Bitcoin went down? Timothy, can you see the 3-minute gap? I can. I will show you now. Chris Stafford, what up? Hi. All-time highs? Yep. He's a bear. How's it going? Eventual buy short-term, not trading. Oh, okay, Jordy. Just checking. What? So, Jordy, you now took this? Mad Demon, Bitcoin went down because people sold. I mean, yeah. Hey, Nino M, how's it going? Oh, that's okay, Nox. We were all just really worried about you. Through Microsoft, not messing up my win from earlier. Valid. Valid. Gonna want a boy. You think this is a buy? 9 31 sell side. 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 9 31 sell s Nino, not this week, but today. Yes, I'm in profit today. I'm green today with a decent amount. I'm up $432, which is good. Yeah, I wouldn't want to long, just lack of objective in the market, so probably gonna, unless we reach the 394 level. This is how I had my potential setup. Here would have been my entry, here's stop loss, take profit. Let's see where I would have, oh, see daisies, what just happened? There we go. Why are we doing weird and wonderful things? Stop that. You know, if things could just... You absolute blitzen. Stop it! Okay, let's say around there. So if it reached this level, I would move my stop loss to half. Hey, Geordie. I'm agreeing with you guys with regards to, I think this might drop down though. But this was the potential trade I was looking at. Today on Fridays, I trade London and have been long. So what? Zubair, do you have a do you have a TP or what's your plan? Yee. Oh, thanks, Canty. I'm confused. In order blocks, are order blocks the candle before fair value gap, or is it the last selling candle before the fair value gap? Please explain. So, this is the 1 minute. Yes, this is the 1 minute. We'll probably have to check on a higher time frame. Let's see. I mean, theoretically, on this here, this little one here would be the order block. On a higher time frame, though, it's sometimes easier to see. So here was an order block that I marked out. I think this was on the 5 minute. A confirmation for me. I've come to realize that a lot of people see order blocks differently. Just saying. Stacked 2 points, sincerely Kenzie. And then 75% we go break even, baby. Oh gosh. You took like 2 to 3 weeks ago. Okay. Oh no, Harry Shram, I'm not doing anything right now. I'm still thinking cells are going to win. Just looking at this. This is just out of curiosity. It was what I would have been looking at, but like I said, I think I need a little bit more confirmation. I do not trade in the chop. No trading in the chop for me. You know, sometimes it could be wins in the chop, sometimes it's just not worth it, and I'm trying to be better with my discipline, especially today. After yesterday. Yesterday, I feel like I took 5 steps backwards, so today I'm trying to at least take 5 steps forward, get back to where I was. I've been lost English there. Rambo, you still thinking sell side? Okay, so I would have halved my position. Whoopsie, that's not right. Ah, okay, cool. I would have halved my position and not been stopped out. Is that half of where my position was? Kind of. It's close to half. I will kind of laugh if this hits TP. Let's see. tap into inverted fair value again. Yeah. Well, Okay, so because it reached that level, the TP would be... Why are we jumping around like that today? Around here is like the 75% level, I think. Yeah. So it wouldn't quite be a break even yet. Close though, but not yet. X in red. KNT, I love your updates. Thank you. Nice, a lot of news moving market. Bullet. Night. Just itty bitty little bit. Itty bitty little bit. Unfortunately, don't be mad if it seems hard. It's leg state. Rambo and the Rip, do you guys know each other? Like, personally? Out of curiosity? Tube Treasure, are you asking me what I think a fair value gap is? Right? Just double checking you're asking me. Before I start spewing on and you're actually asking someone else. Like, yeah. Because that wouldn't be great. Woo! Go Jordy! Nice. Yeah, Jordy, not worth it. Not worth it right now. I think I'll need to wait for it to properly just take a tad bit of a chill pill before I get into anything. Let me move this too. Oh, I was like, what? That's not right. Around here. Huh. Maybe it did reach it. No, it didn't. Okay, cool. So around here would actually be where I would go break even. Let's see. Jordy, no, like, yeah. Zubair personally think market is bullish whole day till last hour. Really? Okay. I love news. Everyone has such mixed opinions. It's very interesting. Oh no. Oh, Tube Treasure, I mean, here's a example right here, right? Fair value gap, 3 candles in a row, this imbalance in between where there's nothing touching, where there was a gap in the market. It is a fair value gap. Yeah. And price likes to come back into that gap to fill it because there was missed orders here. Shoot. Yeah. I mean, that's just on the 1 minute. Obviously, the 5 minute, there's bigger ones. I mean, hell, there's this massive one right here. Now that's a fair value gap. Anyways. But like I said, for more accurate, obviously, get confirmation on the higher time frames. If it could just be a healthy pullback given the BTC movement pretty much moonshot up only for the last 3 years. The bear market has already started, or we're not far away from the start. Some guy, I remember you mentioning that. Oh, the Rip, you're just friendly? Cool. I'm friendly too, I think. Today I'm friendly. Yesterday I was not a people person. I apologize about anyone who hopped on yesterday and got to witness that side of my personality. I apologize. Anyways. Mm-hmm. Some guys, so down 20% is like normal for crypto. Anyways. Just gonna show I'm trying to learn that 6-step model that Tom has put up. Ooh, there we go. I don't know where Tom's been actually. Why it's called that? I mean, oh, okay, so this would now be break even. And TP is up here. Let's see if this would have been a win. Huh. Listen, it wasn't a bad setup. It was just risky with all the news. It wasn't worth taking it. Tube treasure. Do I know why it's called that and why? I mean, fair. I don't know why fair, but like value gap, because I mean, there's a gap in the values. I'm assuming, right? Is that why they called it the fair value gap? All because of all the imbalances going on around there? That trade management was the missing ingredient and the model itself was not broken at all. Geordie, probably, right? The model's really good. Depending on the market. Like those those wiki days, and all I can think is wiki. Anyways, those wiki days are just not great. You know, so yeah, at the end of the day it was a lot of me taking FOMO trades or just trying to hop in because, oh, I saw it moving and I want to get in on it, or whatever the case may be. So yeah, a lot of it was that. It's not great, but let's see now what this does. Like I said, this was just not worth it. It's choppy, it's news. It's the whole reason I didn't take this one. I'm trying to be better with my discipline, only taking, you know, the A++++ setups. Not just A++++++. Trying, being the keyword here. Trying. And there's one other thing I wanted to say. I forgot. Doesn't matter then. This thing looks like it's gonna run 100 points high, but my bias is for downside. And I think this might just range for a little bit now, just because I said that watch it drop or shoot or whatever it's gonna do. Okay, so there's no orders there, so then why is it the fair value gap? Zubair, well, I'm not in this, so no profit. There are always orders, but just low volume of orders at certain price. If your order flow trading, almost nothing. Tube Treasure, what platform do you use? Oh, okay, buy some guy. Didn't you go earlier for a walk or run? No, that was yesterday. Never mind, ignore me, ignore me. One of five. No, I haven't studied it deeply. Interesting. Bookmap. Okay, so you can see things on Bookmap. Cool, 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 cool. Just checking, just checking. Okay, but then here's the next question, Jordy. When it reaches around that 75%, I know we said break even, but do we go a little bit higher? Then break even, you know, almost do a bit of a trailing stop. I don't know if it's worth it or not. Hour puts the high at the low statistically in the first minute. Lowest taking a variety of 75% historically that the high at 10 is in. Wait, I'm gonna copy this and have a look-see. Nope, not that. No, stop that. I'm trying to copy everything. Copy everything. Notes. Notepad. I open it and the first thing I see here is Team Money Traders. Love it. Winston, so we were having this discussion with regards to partials. It's not worth it. Mathematically, it's not worth it. Because what I was doing is I was taking partials at 1-to-1R. And then what would tend to happen, not always, but what would tend to happen is it would drop and take me out at break even. So yeah, I was in the green. But mathematically, I would have earned the same amount if I took everything out at 1-to-1R that I would have if it had gone up and hit PP. So why? Yeah. Yeah, sorry. Does it make sense what I'm saying? I don't know if that's making sense. Like, mathematically, it's just not worth it. I might as well just take them all out at 1-to-1R with a higher probability of the 1-to-1 hitting. Mark a candle wick around area and trail that. Yeah, I was thinking, like, if I put it below this, like, slightly below, but this trail, okay. Now it's moved slightly higher, I might move it there. Let's see what that would do. You know, because I feel now it's either going to drop down hectically or it's going to start popping up. Let's see. Yeah. So Jordy, so normally, I don't know if you see, normally my break evens are a little bit higher for the fees or the comms, whatever you want to call it. But then, you know, is trailing then worth it? Like I said, maybe popped it below this wick. Now it's moved a little bit higher, maybe pop it just underneath these candles here. I don't know if I'm just overcomplicating it now. Just, you know, at 1-to-1R, just move stop loss to 50%, at 75, just move it to break even and leave it alone. Might just be better. Once you're trading with some size, then partials make sense, but now it's not really worth the stress. Okay, what do you mean by size? Like anything above 2R, right? Drop in coming soon. You keep spamming this, you do. Without limiting the trade's potential, keep it simple. Wait, but they do limit the potential for a full bulky trade. I guess, but I mean, drawdown's also a thing, right? Take it like a timed exit. Ah, Winston, I guess. Oof, this is kind of hard to watch. Taking out the liquidity on ES now. Yep, taking out the liquidity. Not the all-time highs on ES yet. Hey, wait, let's see. So I said maybe I would have moved it around here. Let's see what happens. Group 9:45 close and 10 open is a volume imbalance. Price jumped without trading in that area. Yeah. when trading with size, we start taking partials too soon. It starts to mess with overall probability and long term. See, night that. See. My guy, why are you gonna be like this? Nox. Nox is always on point. Nexus talks. I feel like I missed something. I'm so sorry. Oh, got it. Nexus, how's it going? How's it going? 3 minis, 4 minis, partials, and trailing. Also an entire method on its own. True. Nothing worse than foregoing 5k and settling for 1k. Yeah, I think, you know, maybe, like you said, that's not something I need to even be worrying about just yet. Just stick with my 2R, leave it alone. It is what it is. Night, classic Friday price action. We're creating all the slow grind up just to start dropping nicely. Let's see. Nox, you can't see some messages? Which one are you on, Nox? But Nox, are you good? How's it been going? Like I said, I missed you. You would have yelled at me yesterday. Yelled at me. I'm just saying. So maybe I'm glad you weren't here yesterday. You would have screamed at me. Solidly. Wow, this is not what I was hoping. Well, I don't know what I was hoping for today, to be honest. I thought maybe a little bit more volatility. Okay. I mean, this would have been what time? 5:50. We're still going. Sure. It's almost like my trade this morning. My trade this morning was like half an hour long. It is Friday. This is how Friday goes. Trap both sides. That's valid, Knight. That's valid. Which I guess is why lots of people don't trade. Nox. Oh wait, sorry, not Nox. Jordy, I thought you actually didn't trade Fridays. I thought Fridays was not your thing. I thought Mondays and Fridays you just didn't trade. Nox, I get it. It's a lot. Hey, there we go. That makes sense. Did anyone here like play rugby in high school at all? I know the guys at my school, yeah, thought that they were amazing because they played rugby. Anyways, Thunder on Friday's okay. On eval, like today, I would not touch a funded or live account on a Friday. Okay, cool. That makes sense then. Because I was like, Okay, so if I trailed slightly, it would be headed towards taking me out. Let's see. Watch this price action. It's so dumb. Yep. condition for some time and Monday will continue upside. Okay, Zubair, let's see. So Zubair, what do you do? How do you end the day? Do you just stay on until end of day and then, I don't know, leave it? What's your plan with your trade? Yep. Oh my gosh, I would still be in this. Ah, did not see that coming. I thought that would have taken me out. Well, I'm still in this, you know. Winston? Mark the 10, 4, 5, 6. The wick? The midpoint? Why? Out of curiosity, sorry, that sounded rude. Why? What about it? Cool. Hey, Dark Angel, how's it going? Break even and leave for next week. Damn, Zubair. Okay, cool. You brave as hell. I can't do that. Alright, drop starting. Let's drop all the way now. Knox big boy. Oh, gosh. Oh, that's okay, Winston. Don't stress. But what about the wick, out of curiosity? Hey, Laura. How's it going? Zubair, are you asking me? Ah, okay, there we go. So that would have taken me out if I did that. If I didn't move anything at all and my level was still at break even. Knox? I mean, not Knox, I'm so sorry. Night. Looks like it is going down now. Oh, interesting. Okay. Midpoint of a wick that is extended is a point of interest. I didn't know that. I've never heard that before. Why? Do you know it, Winston? Out of curiosity. Hey, Yosh. Nope. Shawnee? Yo, Shawnee? Is that it? Did I get it? I was gonna say Yoshani, but then I was like, that's not right. How's it going? If they took something. Okay. Aww, that's so cool. Neve, anyways. Your name is shortened, there we go. Yeah, Jordy, I'm also like, okay. Diamante saliva, there we go. Okay, so if I stuck to break even, for some reason I'll still be in this. Sean, so I'm not in a funded account. I'm still doing my eval account. I'm still getting there. 1 day at a time. Neve, I answered. What? Why? What's happening? We're only gonna move downside this. There's nice big drops. To be fair, just to see any movement right now would be great. Diamante, you're in a buy? I was thinking of a buy. You could see where I would have had my trade. I mean, I would be break even at worst, so wouldn't have been the worst trade. But obviously, you know, we would be better with wins. I don't like it, but I'm tilting. Okay, there we go. But Sean, yeah. It's going okay. It's going okay. I mean, I haven't blown it yet, so one step at a time. If the slow grinds downside too, then we're both longs and shorts. So, yeah. Buy to 600. What? Okay, Diamante, damn, look at you go. Sad reality, bro. Hi. Bad name. Anyways, how long have I been trading for? So I've only been trading since April, so a few months. Yeah. How long have you been trading for? Nova, where is this going? I mean, I don't know. Yeah, Sean. Yeah, I'm still on Evo. It took me a while to find a strategy I liked. And now it's taken me a while to master this annoying thing up here. Jordy, you do you. You do you. With how I'm feeling this weekend, you guys might get spammed with who knows what. Karaoke. Ooh. I'm joking. I don't think you guys want to hear me sing. Your ears will start bleeding. Winston, in my opinion, if you're in a trade and the trade has not presented any fair value gaps, it simply means there is no institutional sponsorship. We have to manage our trade as such. That's interesting. Okay. I'd never really thought of it like that, Winston, but I mean, that's valid. Zubair, no. No, I did not do arts. I feel like I might get judged for this. I didn't go to university. Hey, user! What's up? How's it going? Good afternoon. How are you? I don't know why I said that like a robot, but anyways, how's it going? Leo, can I start in a demo account before you start? I mean, yeah, you can do paper trading before you start. It doesn't help with emotions and mentality of it though, but it does help for learning your strategy. I think Diamante's target might hit. We're holding too much here and not dropping quickly enough. If I was in break even, I would still be in this. Wow. NS video upload. What concepts do I use? I use ICT and SMC concepts as confluences. And I have my own little GAN box. Hello, here we go. No ways, Jordy! So, fun fact, Ridgebacks used to be my place to go all the time before I was 18. But anyways, let's not get into that one too much. One solo 21 fair value gap. Well, let's see. Right, under 460 area directly to 400, 380. Okay, so basically if it breaks that support, it's just gonna drop down, right, Knight? Hey Val, how's it going? It's about to touch my zone. Look for a buy. No, Val, I'm being dead honest with you. I'm not trading this until we get some better volume. I'm not going to trade in the chop. I'm up decently for today. I don't think it's worth risking a really good trade I had this morning on this. Whatever you want to call today. Diamante, bad week today. Had 6 break evens that could have been winners plus overnight. Oh, Diamante, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. ABD? No, I'm trading the NAS. Sorry, my brain just malfunctioned. Sorry, I'm trading the NASDAQ futures micros. Okay, no more questions for you. Or how do you know when the big people place orders in the market? So if you know why, are you trading on days when they are not here? Tube Treasure, I don't have an answer to that. Here we go. Okay. Knight, is this what you were waiting for? Cool, so that would have been a break even, so that's fine, right? Ooh, Facey, you're short MES. Noise. Good. Ooh, okay, Boogeyman. Just send a whoop whoop when TP is hit so that we can all whoop whoop and celebrate together. Yeah, 100% Jordy. Night, you see a lot of people short here. Yeah. Elliot. We ball. Facey, where's your TP at? 70% of people are short right now. Yeah. So this would have been a break even. Yeah. So this would have been a break even trade, Jordy. So, I mean, slightly above break even if I'd made like $1 or something like that. Oh, whoop whoop Bob. Whoop whoop. Hey. Damn, Jordy is in proper bouncer mode today. Damn. Okay. Nobody mess with him. Ooh, just a little tippy tap into V. No, it's still a support area. Hey, Knight, you said 160 zone. Facey? What does that mean? Am I whoop whooping you as well? Are we whoop whooping? 70% of people are right 70% of the time. Most traders lose money on those 20 to 30. Yeah, they are wrong. Alright, now controlling that with lockout system. Hey, Knight, yeah. Knight, I must say, you've come really far. Well done, by the way. I think I've said this to you before, but I'm gonna say it again. You really have grown a lot as a trader, just since I've known you, which I know is not that long, but still. Your discipline has been really, really good recently, so just a shout out to you. Well done. Boogeyman, short ES soon. So, okay, let's just see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Unfortunately for me, none of this is worth trading, especially with my setup. So, let's see. Oh, what? Oh! Got it. Sorry, that took me a minute. Sorry. Bob, my bad. I forgot. Yo, because isn't Facey your Twitch name? Hey, Boom! I don't know. Probably. I'm probably done trading for today. Where have you been? Or have you just been watching the charts, Boom? I feel really blonde now. Anyways, it's fine. Val, you think it's going up? As expected, should continue to go lower. If stopped, should be managed accordingly. I'm going to do your thing. Okay, let's see, Rip. Jordy? Yeah. 100%. Just no. Let's see. Let's see what it does. Because then it goes back to that argument that Knight had, that sometimes going break even just isn't worth it. Because sometimes you get tapped out on trades that could have been wins, and now you've lost your profits. Yeah, I don't know why. But in the same breath, no, I don't know why. Sorry, I think this app had like a reboot. That's not right, an update. That's it. That English found it, nailed it. Cool. I think it had an update and for some reason it's now doing this. Oh, cheers, Brip. Had an amazing weekend, by the way. Happy Friday again. Boogeyman, your orders weren't full. It ain't going up. Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry. I don't know why it's doing that. I apologize. At night? Are we, or is it just gonna keep consolidating until the PM? I mean, it had its massive move earlier. Is it just gonna keep grabbing liquidity? Sidhu, hi, what's up? Aw, okay, bye, Night. What you gonna do this weekend, Night? You gonna chill? Oh, yeah, thanks, Jordy. If you guys are at least having some form of fun. Sorry, I know this was quite dull today, but if you're having some form of fun, yeah, don't forget to press that like button. Thank you. What? Does he seriously? When, Diamante? Ah, well, welcome, welcome, welcome. Over. I'm sorry, you did tell me that. I apologize. I'm sorry. Yeah. Sid. I'm gonna call you Sid. I hope that's fine. What do you trade? How long have you been trading? Tell us some deets. I mean, this is not looking great right now, but let's see. Let's see what comes of this. I don't know for sure, but the market is moving as if it's waiting for him to speak. Ooh. I don't believe you. Sometimes I believe you are. But sometimes you say things that I'm like, how did you know? Nox, you being awfully quiet. It makes me feel uncomfortable. I'm just saying. Yeah. Be better. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm just being sassy today because I'm in a good mood. Better than yesterday. Like I said, Nox. Bad yesterday. Got Bloomberg on in the background. Bob, I don't know. I'm sorry. I think it's just this multi-chat had an update and for some reason it's just giving the usernames. I don't know why. I'm sorry. Who won? Who's been winning betwixt the two of you with chess, by the way? Hey, Mad Demon. Okay, you're in longs now. Awesome. Where's your TP at, Mad Demon? Nox 1-1. Okay, cool. So it's yet to be decided, is what I'm seeing. Boogeyman finally got into short at 6824. Oh, we're on a different chart. Never mind. TB1 data highs, TB2 also nice. Okay. Okay. I'm curious to see how this plays out. Oh, seriously, Knight? Oh, okay, that sucks. Us retailers using delayed data, we're never supposed to win. I mean, Diamante, when you put it like that, it sounds really sad, doesn't it? Then it makes you wonder, like, why are we doing this? But we're doing it because we love it. Even if we have to sit on our hands and not trade on days like this. Oh, this is frustrating today. This is really frustrating. We have no edge. The greatest edge of them all is information, and we got the jumble. Slate fake news. Diamante, damn, you're making it sound really bad. Are you good? Hey, Lishan, how you doing? So, good. I had a win during the London session. I have not taken a trade today. I'm trying really hard to be more disciplined at taking only like A+++ setups. You know, risk management and all that fun jazz stuff. Yeah. Respect yourself? I'm not sure. But yeah, like I said, I had a win and I placed the correct amount of contracts, so I'm up decently today. Mad Demon, TP1, whoop whoop, amazing, well done. Do you then move to break even, so you still get something, right? Hey, XG Pro. No, sorry, this is the Nasdaq futures. I'm conveying my emotions. Life is a scam. Damn, Diamante, do you need a hug? You sound like you need a hug. Boom Banana, Maya, give me a trade. What? You sure about that? Are you sure about that? Oh, wait, I see. You need $5. My brain wants to say long, but that's probably not right. Do the opposite of what I said, so probably go short. Hey! Huh. Look at that. Yeah, Mad Demon. Diamante, like, I feel like you do need a hug. I'm so sorry. Nanomix, no. I didn't hop in on this trade. I don't want to be in on this slow movement. It doesn't work. It tends, let me rephrase. It tends not to work so well with my strategy. That being said, I would have been break even on this one. If I hadn't have gone break even, I still would be in this trade. Diamante, no. No, no, no. Adding away break of structure to upside, yeah, and inverse feedback, yeah. Where was your entry at, Mad Demon? How do I know if someone needs a hug? Because Diamante is sad today. So do you need, like, Diamante needs a hug because he's sad. Well, up and away. There we go. Entry cabbage. 45 minutes. Boogeyman, that was like information overload. Do you see me malfunction a little bit right there? Mad Demon fully out now. Whoop whoop, that's amazing, Mad Demon. Look at you go. Are you then done for the day, or what's the plan? 3-point trade, only 6. Probably just because I'm new, but I'm going, what do you mean only 600? I am so stoked with like getting my $432 right there. Anyways. Yeah, man, Demon, that's why I'm also been super hesitant to trade today, because this is not fun. It is not fun for me, any of this. So just not worth it. It's already been done. I've been in since 5:23 at 10:20. Held through all that drawdown. Open low and take profit 6:20. Okay. Okay, Diamante, let's see what happens. I'm here for you. Let's see where this goes. Oh man, there we go. Well, correction liquidity, okay. Like I said, Matt, even unless an A+++ setup presents itself, which I feel it has not yet, I still think this market could go either direction. I mean, let's check this out on the 15-minute. I mean, it is still pushing up. It is still pushing up. But it's not ideal. What does it look like on the hour? There's this gap here on the 1 hour. I mean, there's this massive fair value gap. Anyways. Lichen, you think it's gonna retrace after hitting the support level? Let's see. Mad Demon. I hear you. I hear you. I do that often. That was me yesterday. Hey, Solu! How you doing? It used to make 1,000, so 600 doesn't feel good enough now. I guess. But again, green is green. Hey, Rise and Inspire, how's it going? Let me quickly, I need to quickly check something here. The fun of having to do things. It's not fun. I don't enjoy it. This kinda... Yeah, I want to say this kinda sucks. But in the same breath, I wasn't planning on trading anyway, so at least I'm not having any FOMO. Oh, sorry, boo. That sucks. I'm sorry. Cool. Cool, Rise and Inspire. Sounds about right. To be fair, that's how I feel sometimes. Just here going, No, I'm joking. I'm getting better slowly but surely. Check the 2-minute. Hey, Rensler! How's it going? How you been? How was work then today? Yeah, this is too rangy for my liking, unfortunately. Sorry guys, it's just too meh, not worth Not worth it. Friends, are you in a trade? I FOMO'd so hard today. I entered longs on your PM account. The next affiliate TV one, so I could see. Mad Demon, I'm so sorry. That's frustrating. That is frustrating. But I mean, still, green is green, right? Green is green. FOMO and all. Nanomix, an A+ setup for me. It at least has 3 confluences, maybe 4. And I need to start doing this. It needs to also align with the higher timeframes. Like the confluences on the higher timeframes should hopefully align with the lower timeframe confluences. For me, I think that's an A+ setup. And I need a little bit more volume. Hey, Abongile Sisulu, how's it going? If you have trouble reading a chart, AI will give you volume updates and candle descriptions in real time. Look, man, I remember you mentioning that. But let me get comfy. I'm gonna cross my legs. Hiya, hiya. This might be reversal to the downside. It might be going down now. Let's see. Oh, okay, Renzo. See, that's good. Well done. Good on you. Don't trade when your brain's not in it, right? Oh, hiccups. So many hiccups. So annoying. Well, at least we have some movement. Is this a giant M formation? Bless me. I'm sorry. Oh my word. Oh, bless me. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, I still haven't passed my account from yesterday. Started getting PT. I'm blowing an account from. No, Sally. Can't you just quickly mark it in for a sell quick stick? Plus, most of my losses were on Fridays. Yeah, Renzo, I know a lot of people just don't trade. Pokemon, ayo. I'm still losing. Figuring things out slowly but surely. Hey, Sun Guy, welcome back. How was the walk? Yeah. How did you know? Is that weird? Yeah, I have to sit cross-legged sometimes. It's comfy. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Thanks for all the blessings. Still filling this freaking gap. Anyways. Oh, damn. Some guy. That's exciting. I think this... Watch me jinx it now. I think finally tomorrow there's actually going to be sun during the freaking weekend. So maybe I'll actually be able to go to the beach. That would be nice. I live down by the coast and haven't been able to go to the flipping beach. Sunny but windy. I mean, yeah, it's better than nothing, right? There we go. Exactly like Tholi said. I can't complain. Boogeyman, what did AI tell you? What did it say? Joshua, what up? How's it going? Jordy, who won? Did Nox win? Did you win? Who won? Of how top and bottom are so close to each other looks more like consolidation. Yeah. Oh, seriously, did Nox slaughter you? Damn. Hey, Nakabamba, how's it going? Yes, I'm back. I'm back. Yesterday it was not me. Yeah, but I'm back. I'm good. I'm good. How are you doing, Nakabamba? Hey, Larry. Rensler, me neither. That's why I'm not in this. At all. Within 1 hour and assuming very close to that trend. Okay. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Finally. We finally have something. Finally broke past. It just wicked out. Let's see. Rensler. Nice, Nox. Are you guys gonna play another setup or another game or not? Oh, nice, Boogerman. Whoop whoop, that's amazing. That's a big move there. What happened? No, I think it just finally broke the support level, Nox. Hey Mario, what's up? Hey! Easy Joven, yeah? I'm gonna call you Easy J, sorry. No. Sorry, I don't trade in this rangy stuff. It's just not worth it for me. And specifically because I'm up for today, I would like to stay up. Mario, you're from Croatia. That's so cool. Hi, I'm from South Africa. Yeah, actually, good point. Boom, are you still there? Boom, boom banana. Clapped. Good job. Flip Diamante. I'm sorry. Bye. Ooh, nice. Did you get what you wanted, Boom? Damn, no, Watney. Oh. That makes sense. Okay, that makes sense. Wow, y'all are having fun without me. So rude. Diamante, I'm so sorry. You know how it goes. I'm so sorry. Guys, I went on tilt. It was bad, but I somehow recovered. Ooh, only true trader? What did you do? What did you do? Hold it, it's gonna go down more. You were looking for... Yeah, you were looking for like $5 or something. Hey, unstoppable forever. What's up? Only true trader, don't tell Bob. Only true trader, Facey, is actually Bob, so he just read that, so you're in trouble. Yes. Did you get the money that you were looking for? Basically, Bob. Oh, boom. What? Ooh, nice, Harsham. Go on then. Do you know what's annoying? This doesn't look terrible, except for the major wicks and how it's been jumping off of their value gap, but this isn't the worst trade I've seen. Which one? Oh, never mind. Boom. You took so many trades and ended break even. It wasn't a crazy drawdown. Okay, well at least you got break even, so that's good. Oh, thanks, Mario. That's very sweet. You're waiting for that fair value gap to be filled. So you're waiting for it to hit that 380, right? Well, looks like it's gonna respect that support line. I know that's the... Yeah. Only true trade... Yeah. Nope. I can imagine the stress was absolutely unreal. Wow, it looks bad on the 1 hour. Whoa, this is not okay. The 1 hour is shocking. Only true trade I can imagine. You must have just been like focused. So focused. Solid none. I'm trying to decide if I take this or not. I don't know if it's worth it. But 1, 2, 1. To trade $1 profit, but at what cost? Yeah, your sanity. That. Solly, yeah, I took one trade today, and it was London. So I got a profit of 4,000. Oh, no. $432. So, you know, I'm like, do I risk it? Because that's really good. That's really good. Do I risk it and potentially go down like $200? Worth it, small size. I don't know if it's kind of come back up again to get me though. Ooh, it made some inverse fair value gaps on the ES, but it kind of tapped into them. Okay. Yeah, well, this is for a short. I mean, frick, this is 30 point. Do you know what I'm gonna do? Big size, Solly. Yeah, big size. The proper amount of contracts that I should have been placing the whole time. You know, 200 risk. That's what I should be placing the whole time. I'm not going to do it for this one, though. I'm going to try this trade. However, I might be being dumb for doing this, but I'm only going to place one contract. Maybe two. No, I'm only going to place one. Because then if it's a loss, I'm not going to feel super dumb, and if it's a win, then cool. Because it is risky to trade today, so. But Mad Demon, that's why I only won. Damn, okay. Solly, Boom Banana says hi, he's yelling at me. Your cat blocks, boom. Legend Dawn. What? Okay. Yeah, 900%. Let's see. And then what's your excuse now, Boom? Why are you yelling at me? Damn, why is Boom Banana always yelling at me and bullying me? Boom Banana, what do you think of this trade? Hey, Jen, what's up? How's it going? Surya, hi, how's it going? Nakabamba, you believe it's going up. Mad Demon? I don't know, Mad Demon. Oh, is this Jason? Oh, that's cool. Oh, I low-key feel a little bit... No? Leave it alone. Really? Wow, there's like a 50-50 on what people think this trade is gonna be. Like I said, I think that's what I'm putting one in. You know, if it's a loss, I'm still in the green for today. If it's a win, I'm up more. So it is what it is. I'm from South Africa. Sorry, yeah. Only to trade it, yeah. That seems scary. To be fair, I've done that. So this is why I don't market in anymore. Yeah. This is why I do not market in anymore, because I used to just be like, oh, I think it's going this way, and I would mark it in, and then it would do the opposite. And I promise you, the one day I was like, it's gonna do this, and it did the opposite. So I was like, cool, I'm gonna do the opposite of what I think it's gonna do. So I marked it in. Let's say I was doing sells, and then I was like, cool, I'm just gonna do the opposite, and I marked it in at a buy, and naturally that was the shift down. Anyways, short story long, that's how I blew an account. Oh, that makes sense. Oh dear. Okay, well, we're one con in. Let's see. Nope, that's not right. Nearly put the wrong thing there. I love Matt Damon. Anyways, moving on. I reckon you need to do something and change places in your account in one day. Yeah. So yeah, you need to get out a little bit more, I'm just saying. Trader suffers from it. Yeah. Ryan? Me. What about me? Nakabamba, wait for it to confirm up. I think it's confirming up. Oh well, let's see what happens. Maybe some big sticks. Oh well. Oh damn! Okay, yeah, only 2 trade. I guess I kind of get it. It was a fresh evil. I'm waiting to see where this goes. Sorry, I said Ryan. It's Ryan. Now Boom's yelling at me. Damn. Waiting to come 430 level and reverse from there. Lurk? No, I'm not funded. Still pathing my evil. I need to check. Yeah. No, Prem, I'm not. Boom Banana woke up and chose violence today. Why? I don't know. Why did you choose violence today? Justin, let's see, guys. No, only to trader. Yeah. Well, at least you learn. You know, sometimes you have to make massive mistakes to then go and be like, oops. Maybe let's not do that again. I mean, I wouldn't call it. I just, yeah, I've heard it is, but meh. I know a lot of people that aren't Indian with the name Maya as well. Knight, let's see. I'm hands off. We're in it. Let's see what happens. Like I said, I've mitigated the risk that if it is a loss, I'm not in the red for the day, so either way, yeah. Either way, it's green, so that's cool. Yeah, so let's see. Jinping? What's for dinner today? I have no idea. Sully, stop encouraging him. Honestly. Boom, you're never nice to me, so I don't know why I expect anything different. Yep, no, this is gonna be a loss. This little confirmation up. Yep, oh well. Yeah. Yes, I am, Geordie. But I only put one contract so that if it does hit my stop loss, I'm still in the green for today. So, yeah. Let's see what happens. Like I said, I'm hands off now. This looks like it's climbing up to my stop loss though, so it's fine. Were you though? I feel like that's a lie. Boom, but anyways. I'm in the Discord. Damn, Geordie, look at you multitasking. Hey Javad, what's up? Oh, lies. All lies. Come on, hit that zone and fall. Nah, this is Diamante to 600. You think so? Did it? Now drop down. Nope, it's gonna take me out. Why? Bob, why are you getting in on this? What is happening? Hit a hit on ceiling, then fall down. See? Diamante, that's how it always works. Watch, it's probably gonna... And then go to Q. Now, boo. See? Why I should not trade on days like this. But again... Yeah. Was a loss, but like I said, I literally only placed one contract, so I'm down not even that much at all. Wow. Javad, this is not currency, this is the Nasdaq futures. Ah, wow. You're all being mean to me. I do. Hayland, this what broke? I'm with top one. There we go. And I mitigated the risk. I went for the confirmations, and there were confirmations. And I really thought it would go down further to at least take out the liquidity. Ah, you bastard. Imagine it goes down now. Oh, well, that's fine. Like I said, mitigated risk, literally one contract. Javad, this is not, it's Nasdaq futures, not currency. Boogman, bop it on the head. Well, watch. It's probably gonna drop now just because it took me out. I'm not gonna place any more trades, boom, don't worry. I'm just watching to see if it does go down. So if it does, I'm gonna be bummed, but oh well, it's fine. Oh, Zane, oh, thanks. Bye, by the way, you've been awfully quiet. Here we go. Is this that ceiling you were waiting for, Boogeyman? One, two, three. Oh yeah, and it's fine, Val. Like I said, I specifically mitigated the risk, so it was... Even if it was a loss, I'm still in the green for the day, so it's fine. Lichen told you to buy. Oh, you did. That's fine. What was your indicator, Lichen, that it was going to be buys? Once more, food. I'll try. I don't think this works though. Sorry. Maybe if I just say MNQ. MNQ. Maybe that'll help. I'm not sure. Hey, hi life. What's up? How's it going? Yeah, I'm still here. Had a little loss now, but it's fine. Must have. Market should push because data was great. I thought I was going to fill this gap more, to be fair. But it is what it is. Nope, okay, still climbing. Wow. Maybe we are just gonna keep climbing. What is the taken on ES? Taking all-time highs on ES now. They're gonna drop now. Aw, thank you. Don't worry, I'm not stressed. I'm still in the green today, so it's fine. And it's nearly time for me to go as well. So, let's see. Well, a few more minutes. I'm curious to see what happens. Hey, Demon. Let me mark it here. Nope, I spelled that like a absolute chop. There we go. Ooh, go on, Solly. I love it. It's climbing before filling the gap. I mean, that's taking out the hearts. I don't know. I think this might start popping down. Hey, Solly. Well done. Whoop whoop for you, by the way. Sorry, I read it wrong. I thought you meant you'll be back later and... Okay, anyways. Solly, that's amazing. Whoop whoop for Solly. Oh, and Boom Banana is yelling again. Gosh. IG? Hi. How's it going? How's it going? How are you doing? I think these will be amazing. That's why they open positions now. Monster Mob, I hope so. Lichen, you did, but you didn't tell me what the buy signal was. Thank you, some guy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I couldn't type anything in. Breakthrough. We're gonna see it bounce off that resistance zone again and head back down. Justin, that's what I thought as well. I mean, there was a few resistance zones. There were fair value gaps, there was my VWAP, there was the shelf. Like I said, it was a good trade for me. It was good on the 5-minute as well. It just is what it is. Aw, thanks for the sub, Monster Mob. Some guy, probably. Probably. What was my RR? 1 to 2R. Yeah, all my trades are 1 to 2R. So when I got took out. Monster Mob, it's just kind of doing its own freaking thing right now, to be fair. We got a few minutes left. I think this is gonna just keep pushing now. Oh well. IG, how did I control my emotions after this loss? Well, I mean, I mitigated my risk so that even if it was a loss, it was still in the green. So that helped, and yeah, I've changed my mindset quite a bit with regards to losses. So for me, it is what it is. The triangle. The triangle. Got it. Diamante, maybe that's the thing. Maybe just don't say what the stop is. I've realized that tends to happen. Just don't tell me what the stop is. Tell me what take profit is. That's fine. But don't say what the stop is. The stock market was listening to you. See Mumbai with me. Hi, how's it going? IG, so this is my own little strategy that I have. It's a 1 to 2 hour strat. It uses ICT and SMC concepts combined, yeah? Chicken Tobin West. The bias was bullish. I definitely... No, it was bullish, but I kind of thought it would take out the liquidity, try and fill in the gap a little bit more. But it would at least try fill this gap before popping up a little bit further. And grab some liquidity, because it didn't even take liquidity before the drop down. So yeah. Oh, Diamante, I don't know. Those giveaways be expensive. So, well, let's see. When I start making more money. Okay. Yeah, basically. And I did have my confluences as well. So I had VWAP on my side. I thought it would bounce off VWAP. I had a fair value gap. I had this shelf that I thought it would potentially bounce off of. So there were confluences with it, just unfortunately it didn't work. And it is what it is. I specifically also mitigated my risk. I only placed one contract for this, so that win or lose, I was still in the green for today. Oh, thank you, IG. That's very sweet. Okay, but I see we're gonna probably consolidate a little bit more now, so that's frustrating. So I'm gonna call it there for today, guys. You were amazing. Thank you for joining me today on this very weird day. That's okay, Val. Boogerman? No, it's fine. It's fine. I'm done for the day. I'm out. And Nakabamba thinks it's still going up. We'll come back and see. Diamante, I marked out where your level was, by the way. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it hits. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining me today. Yo, have an amazing weekend. Happy Friday, everyone. I will see you back here on Monday. Let's do this. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. If you had fun, learned a little bit, judged me a lot, whatever, press that like button below, and I will be back. I love you guys. See you then. Bye.